Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. I'm very excited to show you the latest JuJuBe release prints from August. I wanted to also mention that I am doing this video in collaboration with Busy with 5 Mama YouTuber. I will put her link down below for her video. She's also doing a packing video on her Be Packed. And we just thought it would be fun to kind of show you guys how we both pack the Be Packed because we both have 5 kids. So today I actually have the Narwhal Nirvana Be Packed packed up, but I wanted to show you guys some of the other items that I got in at Zara May Boutique and that I snagged for myself and my family, my kids. And just in case you're kind of curious about what they were like, and I was very excited to get these in today because it was a bit of a delay for us Aussies. I know you all in America have had these prints for, gosh, a week or so now. But, you know, I wanted to give you guys my opinion about the prints and, of course, how they look on these different styles. So, as I said, I do have the Be Packed here, and this one does have the rainbow zippers and the black hardware. I just think it looks really cool. I'm really pleased with how this looks in real life. I was a little bit kind of iffy about it. And what I noticed, actually, is see how this is packed up, but see how it's not falling over? I don't know, maybe it's because it's a more structured material. It's a very smooth material, and the zippers, of course, really smooth. So I'll go over that when I do the packing portion. I also have here a Be Set from the Narwhal Nirvana, and I wanted to show you guys what this was like. So you do have the print on the front and the back, of course. I found that each one of my set pieces has the exact same print placement. Not sure what's up with that. I only just opened this up, so I haven't even taken any of the packaging off, but you do have a long strap that has the print on there, which is kind of nifty, the black hardware. And the rainbow zippers are there as well. And then the inside is this really cool kind of gray with a whole bunch of different shapes, like stars and hearts in there. And it's actually nicer in real life than I thought it was going to be. So here is my medium set piece. See, it's the exact same print placement. It's kind of funny. And then my small is actually in my Be Packed, but I'll just pop it out for a sec. And see, it's exactly the same. I don't know there. Oh, and I just noticed that only the large set piece has the rainbow zipper. See there? But the medium and the small does not. Wonder what happened there. Huh. Okay, JuJuBe, it's a bit of a cheapskatey thing to do. But anyway, so in case you're wondering about that. So I also got some mini helixes. Now I pulled one out of the Murloc for myself and my daughter and stuff. And I just want to show you guys what this is. This is the rave right now, this little bag. Everybody wants a mini helix. And you know what? I'm not quite sure what the big hype is about, to be honest. I mean, it's cute. Don't get me wrong, but I tried to put my stuff in here and I couldn't fit much at all. I don't think I'm going to use it at all. So I will see it with my daughters. Will use it as a little bag for them. This strap is long enough to go over around like crossbody for me, and I'm 5'9", and so it did fit okay on me. Perfect for my 2-year-old. I did take a picture of her wearing it, 2.5, so I'll pop that up here so you can kind of see. She was a little hard to take a picture of. She kept moving. But yeah, so you do have the little inside here with the mesh and the lining with the W with the Warcraft. Then you've got like, it looks like, I don't know if you can see that in the, you've got like a fish, I think it looks like, and fish bones and some seashells. So that's kind of cool. And then on the inside, of course, you've got another little zipper here, and then you've got a slip pocket at the back and a inside here that's got the mesh. And then again, I don't know, what do you use your mini helixes for, guys? I know there's heaps of packing videos out there, but I don't know. It's a cute bag for kids, but I don't know why adults are going on nutty over it. But anyways, there you go. So that's the mini helix. And then I also got the Be Packed again in the March of the Murlocs as well. Now, I don't know if you guys realize, but my husband and I do play World of Warcraft. My husband plays avidly. He has since the game came out. I play on and off. So the whole Murloc thing is kind of a funny story because they are the most pains in the butts characters. Well, they're not even characters. They're like enemies that you have to go fight and collect things from. And they're such a pain. And they're not cute. They don't look like this. So I find it funny how they Blizzard and JuJuBe got together and made them into cute little creatures. And everybody's going, whoa, they're so cute. I'm like, but they're such pains. Let me know if you play World of Warcraft in the comments and what you think of the Murlocs. Because every time you get a Murloc quest, we're always like, oh, I gotta go kill them. Because they just chase you and chase you and chase you and chase you. It's actually kind of annoying. But anyways, so this is the inside of the B pack. There's no embroidery thing with Murky in here. Which, by the way, Murky is not a big character in the game either, so I don't know how that came about, but anyways. But you do have the nice purple. You have it in here as well with the mesh. I think the purple on this print is really cute. This print is really cute. It's one of those kind of, it's the back of it, one of those kind of like if you're feeling happy and kind of funky and you want a really nice funky happy print, this is exactly what I would pull out of the cupboard. I am going to do a video with all my B packs to show you what I have, because I think I have every single one from since they came out, so yeah. Anyways, let's get into this packing video real quick so you can just kind of see how I packed this one up. The front pocket here does have a rainbow zipper, and in here I just have my small set piece with my lipstick and lip gloss and stuff in there. So that's in that little mesh pocket. In the other mesh pocket I have my hand sanitizer and a pack of tissues. I mentioned earlier I do have my small, well I did have my small set piece, took it out, but I do have my small set piece, and that I had that in here. And that actually has my shopping bags, Baby Olay shopping tote bags. I take those everywhere now because it's just trying to cut down on the plastics that I'm using. Here's the back of the B packed in the Narwhal Nirvana. It's quite cute. Black mesh backing, tapered straps. You have the zipper at the top here, and this is where my iPhone 10 goes in there, unless it's in my pocket. Nice grab handle. By the way, everybody's wondering about the way that this is sewn. It is on every single B packed that they made. This is just the way that this bit is sewn with the stitching visible on the top. So if you get it, don't panic. It's not wrong. That's how they all are. Okay, so going into the center now. Nice smooth rainbow zippers. I do like the zippers. They're really cute. And of course you got this lining here with the stars and the hearts, all different colors. And this is like a gray, definitely a gray. Not a silvery gray, definitely gray. And there's zip pocket here. I do have a coin purse with some penny liners and another coin purse with a hairbrush and hair ties. So it just shows you two coin purses do fit side by side there. In this back slip pocket here, the elastic, I do have my medium Lily J packing case with 2 size 5 nappies, light change pen, coin purse. And then in the center here, in the corner, I have my small set piece with all my mummy med kit needs. I then have my Y Pouch 30, Lily Jade full-size wallet, play pack case with some coloring and papers and things in there. It's Ritzy snack bag with dry foods, and then my Fugu Funtainer in the corner here. So I could put my Fugu Funtainer in the outside, and sometimes I do, but I kind of like to keep my bottles inside the bag if I can. I just think it makes the bag look nicer. So that is how I had my B packed, and that's kind of how I pack all my B packs. So if you've seen my other videos, you pretty much have seen all this before, but just to show you guys what this particular print looks like in the B packed, and it's just really, really cute. So if you have any questions or comments, please pop them below, and don't forget to check out Busy with Five's packing video on her B packed in the description box. Click on that link, go check her out, give us some love and support, and thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.